Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening your project folder in Visual Studio Code so the editor can resolve relative paths. Create index. HTML now and save it. Next, move or copy your image into the project, either the same folder or an images subfolder, and note the exact file name and extension because HTML is case sensitive. Once done, install or enable Live Server or use the built-in preview so you can refresh and validate the image path quickly as you edit. Now write the img element in your HTML where the image should appear. Use src equals /images/photo, JPG or src equals photo, PNG depending on location. You include alt text to describe the image for screen readers and search engines, and that helps when the file fails to load. Then control sizing. Either add width and height attributes or assign a CSS class and style it in a CSS file. Make sure to save both HTML and CSS, and check the live server preview for visual feedback. Finish by verifying the image appears in the browser via live server or a refresh. If it doesn't show, clear the cache and reload. Make sure the src path exactly matches the folder structure and file name, including case sensitivity, because a small typo often causes failures. If problems persist, open DevTools and check the network or console tabs for 404 or permission errors, then correct paths or file permissions. If you change file names, update references and refresh until the preview renders correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.